Kenny and I started playing together. Well, I first saw him when I was a senior in high school, and he was a freshman, and him and Clarence, never heard him play, didn't know who they were, and a fellow by the name of Dale Savage and I played, and we're off stage, and we're watching there, and Kenny and Clarence get up there, and they do this thing where Clarence is holding his guitar like this, Kenny's holding his banjo like that, and they got their arms all whirled around like this somehow, I don't know how. And they took off and did Foggy Mountain Breakdown, and every kid in the school just it was just blew me away too. And then after I got out of college in '78, we got this fella asked me if I wanted to do a show at elementary schools, and I ran into Kenny down at Lois's, and he wasn't doing anything, so we got with this fella and worked up this show called Your Mountain Music Home, where we would play fiddle, guitar, banjo, mandolin, dulcimer, washed-up bass, just anything we could. And our second song, we'd do a fiddle tune, and we'd tell them kids, if anyone wanted to get up and dance, please do it. Teachers didn't like that too good, but first fiddle tune we'd play, there'd be maybe 1, 2, or 3 of kids, they had clogging lessons, get up and play, and then we'd play everything else. We'd do about 5 or 6 more songs, and then near the end, we had a T-shirt made up that had Your Mountain Music Home and guitar and banjo, and we'd say, okay, now we're going to give this T-shirt to the best dancer in school. And we started off, I swear, every school we played at, the whole school would get up and just start killing ants is what they were doing. And it was the best job we ever had. We didn't get paid a whole lot, but it was a lot of fun. We'd go in the cafeteria in the morning and get biscuits, and then in the afternoon we'd go to the next school, and they always had some cornbread there, so we'd eat pretty good, and that was a great job. And so after that we started playing together pretty regularly. I played with Fred and Kenny until Fred died in 87. And that was one of the best experiences I ever had playing with these fellas. And now we're going to do another Tom Ashley tune, Free Little Bird. And if we have any dancers out there, we got the floor here for you.
I'm as free at my age
Thank you.